Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the Ohm's Law Memory Well. Dito yung 12 formulas sa Ohm's Law Memory Well. P is equal to E times I. P is equal to I squared times R. P is equal to voltage E squared 2 over R. Formula for voltage is equal to I times R. Another formula for E is equal to P over I. Another formula is E is equal to square P times R. Formula for resistance. Resistance is equal to voltage over current. Another formula for resistance is P over I squared. And another formula for resistance is E squared over P. Formula for current. Current is equal to voltage times resistance. Another formula for current is P over E. And another formula is I is equal to square root of P over R. 12 formulas of Ohm's Law Memory Well. Number 1 is P is equal to E squared 2 over R. Number 2 is P is equal to I squared times R. Number 3, P is equal to voltage times current. Number 4, formula for voltage is equal to current times resistance. Another formula for voltage is P over I. Another formula for voltage is equal to square P times R. Number 7, formula for resistance is equal to voltage over current. Number 8, formula for resistance is equal to P over I squared 2. Formula number 9 is equal to R is equal to voltage 2 over P. Number 10, I formula is equal to voltage over resistance. Number 11, current is equal to P over E. Number 12 is current is equal to square power over R. Here is the Bible verse of the day. John 11 verse 25 to 26. Jesus said unto her, I am the resurrection and the life. He that believeth in me, though he were dead, yet shall he live. And whosoever liveth and believeth in me shall never die. Believest thou this? Thank you for watching, guys. And God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong upload. Thank you for watching, guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.